You remind me of the personification of like an above ground pool.
Here we go.
Oh, hey! Welcome back to another episode of I Bought You Didn't Know. My name is Mike Barmonde, and I was taking some selfies. I Bought You Didn't Know is a fantastic game show where our contestants have to prove they know what they think they know, and if they don't know, they bill. Just kidding, they don't go home. Well, today's episode is about cloud management, something we all want to hear about. And with us today are two amazing guests, Mayank Gupta.
Hello, Mike.
Hi, Mayank.
To be here.
He is a director of product management at Nutanix, and Bill Parks.
Thank you, DJ E-Rock. Glad to be here.
I like my outfit.
Bill,
Bill, what do you do here?
I do a little bit of everything.
Fantastic.
Poorly.
Let's jump into the categories. Legit or nah, Succinctly Succinct, Acronym Speedfire, Wildcard, and Certainly. We've jumped out of a plane. Mayank, you landed first. Bill, you did not. Mayank, you have control of the board. Where are we going?
We're going for Succinctly Succinct for 2.
Succinctly Succinct for 2. As succinctly as possible, how does integration benefit business operations? Bill?
Multi-cloud, mobility, and cost optimization.
I would like to have a rebuttal there because there's just, succinctly speaking, it brings in agility because now your data and your operations are all connected together so you can do things in an agile manner. That's a succinct answer.
More
Bill?
words than I use, but yeah, okay.
Mayank, I think you win
All
this
right,
question.
I'll take that.
Mayank, you get 2, and Bill, I'm going to give you 1. Bill, why don't you go ahead and have the board and choose next?
Yeah.
Let's do legit or nah for, I'm going to go for 2.
Legit or nah,
Yeah.
holistic cloud management requires the ability to monitor all your cloud costs. Legit or nah?
Legit.
Okay, how come?
Because.
It just is?
Yeah.
Fantastic. Speaking of is, go ahead, Mayank. Why don't you expound?
I think that's a very good answer. I think it's almost a yes and no answer. So the fact that you want to see all your costs in one single place, I think Bill is right on the money as the question is. So.
I think I have a partner in this game.
Okay, well, let's split the points on that if you guys
Very
are okay with
gracious.
that. I think you each get 1. That was
All right.
pretty fantastic.
All right.
So, in fact, Bill, I'm going to give you another one for that since you answered it well.
He answered a definitive answer. Yeah, I think that was a good one.
Mayank, with that, I'm going to give you control of the board. Where are we going next?
Acronym Speedfires.
Okay, how many fires?
1 fire.
1 fires.
1 fire.
1 acronym Speedfire.
Yeah.
Acronym Speedfire for 1, ITSM.
ITSM.
Oh, ITSM.
Yeah. It's IT Service Management.
Oh, servicing what?
So let me talk about it a little more, right? So what ends up happening is, and because it's very appropriate, this is the Speedfire round. When you bring in a cloud management platform and you're automating things, you still want a human element in the whole picture. And I think in that regards, ITSM solutions, which is, let's say a ticketing system such as ServiceNow or Jira, that's what an ITSM solution provides. And it just creates an approval flow which people can decide, hey, you know what? Yes, I like this automation. Approve because I'm the system admin. That's what ITSM does. Very relevant when it comes to hybrid cloud management. Good question.
Oh, yeah.
Great question, Mike.
Great question.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bill, ITSM, any more thoughts on
No,
that?
I'm good. I mean, there's nothing I can say to improve upon that.
Oh,
In fact, he took the words right out of my mouth.
With that, Mayank, you get 1 point. Score is 4-3. Bill, you're right there in the mix. Speaking of which, we're going to give you the opportunity. You have the board. Where are we going next?
Oof, Mayank. Legit or no for 1, Mike? I mean, let's get this thing moving.
Legit or not for 1, cloud automation reduces operational costs by minimizing the manual tasks and optimizing resource allocation. Legit or not, Bill?
I'm going to take Mayank's approach to this. It's a yes or no question, so legit.
I think I disagree with Bill here. I think the answer should be depends.
Depends?
There's no depends.
Legit or depends?
Legit or
Is it
depends.
legit or nah?
No, it's legit or depends.
Okay.
And I think there is so much more to this question here when you say there is cloud automation, but it just does not brings you cost, but it actually brings you a lot of efficiency. It cuts you business outcomes. And I think the whole answer should actually covered those important facts as well. And so there is elements to it which makes me say depends.
Okay, well, if you stick around, we'll change the category to legit or depends. I guess. It may depend, though.
All right.
With that, I want to award you each 1 point.
Thank you.
Great. Mayank, you have the board. Where are we going next?
We'll go wild card for 2.
Wild card for 2.
Yeah, what shows
This wild question is a fill in the blank.
All right.
Automating routine tasks like software updates and server provisioning frees up IT staff to focus on more blank initiatives. Bill?
I would just say exciting.
Exciting initiative.
initiatives.
What would constitute an exciting initiative in
Is
this
it
context?
a joyride? What is it?
Is
What is
it-
exciting?
yeah, I'm looking for. Yeah, I mean, everything you just mentioned is boring, and it's very old school these days. Again, broken record. There's new models out there for operations. Cloud is one of them. So when you're adopting the cloud, whether it's on-premise or public cloud, you really want to start automating, promoting agility, promoting mobility.
Fill in the blanks, Bill.
Oh, I'm sorry, exciting.
Okay.
Exciting?
Exciting?
I don't think exciting. Like exciting could be, I would say business critical. I think.
Okay.
I think business critical initiatives. This is what you want to focus on because now you have automated the mundane tasks. What do you want to deliver as an IT team? You want to deliver things which are mission critical, things which are business critical, things which will actually drive value to your IT team. I think that should. I like to differ from his response. I think that was. Yeah.
Yeah, I agree with that. Mayank, you get 2. Bill, you get...
Mono y mano
All right. See, the separation
is that
coming
French?
down.
coming. I'm not multilingual. I don't know.
Okay.
I know words.
I barely speak English.
To that point, Bill, you have the board. Where are we going next?
Again, wow, I'm getting all the opportunities here. Let's do, you know what, SNS for 1.
Succinctly succinct.
Yes, thank you, Mayank.
Succinctly succinct.
Succinctly succinct. Yes, SNS, as Bill likes to call it. We're renaming categories on the fly because that's what we do on I Bought You Didn't Know. Succinctly succinct for 1. As succinctly as possible, describe why cloud automation is necessary.
Whoa.
Whoa. It sounds like a...
It's a broad question.
It's a broad question.
Let's see how you pull it off, Bill.
Well, I mean, it is a broad question. Mayank's right, and I'm thinking down the same path. I mean, there's a lot we could say here, so I'll make it succinct.
Yeah. That was the question.
Business agility.
That's why cloud automation is necessary? Mayank?
I think I'll have to get Bill on this one. You're driving business agility. That's exactly what it is. Everything, automation, connecting all of these, connecting the clouds. What is it? It's serving the main goal of driving business agility. So good job, ding, ding, ding. Bill, yeah.
Bill, you get 1 point for that. With that, we have time for one more question. Mayank, you have control of the board. It is a 2-point game with you in the lead. Where are we going next?
I am going broke here.
Are you?
I am.
I mean,
I
he
am
looks
going-
broke.
No, I want to go for legit and now for 3.
Okay.
Yeah, let's
Really?
go broke here. Yeah,
Well,
it's,
that means that whoever gets it is going to take the lead into
that
the
is
final
true.
bot.
That
so
is true. Yeah.
I'm paying
Okay.
attention now, Mayank.
legit or not for 3. Oh my goodness. Seamless integration between cloud services and on-prem infrastructure is crucial for maintaining operational continuity and data consistency. Legit or not? You like this one? Go for it.
Okay, alrighty. This is legit. This is legit. And to expand on this, it is important because as people are using infrastructure both on-prem and on public cloud, the whole idea of having this expanded infrastructure is so that you can deploy services and applications in different locations, right? So in that regards, you have to make sure that as your services scale or traverse these different infrastructure, there is continuity of data and services. So I think it's a very legit question, and it's a very legit fact.
I have nothing to add. That was so well done.
This
I
is
will
3
take that.
points.
I agree with him for the 3, so I agree with you.
All right, all right.
So a green just gets you. Okay, fantastic. With that, because you agree, I'm giving you 1 point, Bill, and Mayank, I'm giving you 3.
Alrighty, I get to go home. Bill, you get to
Nope,
stay here.
we're not done yet.
Oh, okay.
Bill knows
Not
the
yet?
rules very well.
No.
No,
What's
no.
happening next? What's happening next?
Now it's time for the final bot. This is how it works, as
right.
Bill knows. And look at, he is sweating and he is nervous because he knows this moment is coming. This is a question, and the response and the winner gets all the points, regardless of how many you have now to win the game and to go home. The loser stays here. The question on the final bot is, how are technology roles changing to deal with the hybrid cloud? How are they changing? Bill?
I would say, again, broken record, cloud operating model, right?
Okay.
To adopt that model, you have to change the way you think about resources, automation, cost governance, removing silos. You evolve the careers of those that once did boring and unexciting administration into what we call platform engineers today. They're bigger and greater responsibility for how the business becomes agile across both public and on-premise clouds.
Bill, did you take a pill?
I did.
No, we're not doing pills here. Let's.
That was a good answer.
Thank you, Mayank.
Imperfect, partial, but that was a good answer, I would say.
Okay.
The place where you missed, and I think you did touch upon good points about the cloud operating model, the cost governance, but the question, if you see, is what's changing in the role? So the role that you talked about with the platform engineer, that's a very new involving role. We used to have system admins who used to manage all the infrastructure that they had. Now these system admins have evolved to a role what we call as a platform engineer, where they're connecting these clouds. They are making sure data and operations are consistent across these clouds. They are actually ensuring that their end developers can get services within minutes, not hours, as it used to happen in the past. They're also making sure that they are partnering with their ITSM solutions such as ServiceNow, so that all of these services are working in a seamless, if you will, on orchestra or a ballroom, if you will, right? So that's where these roles are evolving, and that's the direction where the hybrid cloud is going.
Bill, any response to that?
Skibbity.
Fantastic. Well, with that, it's time to award points for the final bot.
All right.
Okay.
Here we go.
You ready?
Let's see, yeah.
The current score is 10-6.
Yeah.
Mayank, you're up by 4. Bill, that was the best answer you've ever given on I Bot You Didn't Know.
Yeah.
I was coached a little bit, but yeah.
I'm giving you 500 points, which takes you to 506.
Yeah.
Mayank, you had a great response, but not as good as Bill's.
Huh?
I'm giving you 497 points.
Oh,
Sorry, buddy.
wait. If my math is correct, I am 507 now. Sorry, Bill. I still get to go to my family, and you got to stay here with Mike.
Oh, with Mike.
Yes.
That's
don't
a
stay
change.
here.
Yeah. No, you will.
What do you mean?
Because
I will?
you're going to lose this position. This has been a difficult season with you hosting.
Yeah.
What?
You know,
He agrees.
This is. He's only been here once.
I've seen all the episodes. I've seen all the episodes. Yeah.
You have?
Yeah.
I'm not that great.
No, this one was like it's trending down. We need to switch.
Remember, Mike Barmonde is a terrible host.net. But you didn't know.